To solve a simultaneous equation, we are trying to find a value for both x and y that satisfies both of these equations. Now, in our previous examples, you've been given terms which are the same. Either the x terms have both been the same or the y terms have been the same, so that you can either add or subtract the terms to make them equal to 0, and then you get rid of one of them. Now, in this example, you don't have anything that's the same as each other, so there is another step that you have to take before you can start to solve the equation. You have to try to make these terms the same as each other. Now, we know that if we multiply x by 5, we would get 5x, and therefore we have to do the same to both this term and this term to keep the equation balanced. So, if I multiply this whole equation by 5, I'm going to get 5x plus 15y equals 5. So I've rewritten this equation here and multiplied it all by 5. Now, once we've done that, you can clearly see that if I put this one over here, without doing anything to it, these terms are now the same as each other and can therefore eliminate x from both equations. So, what do I do to 5x and to 5x to make it equal to 0? I take them away from one another. If I take those terms away, I have to do the same with these here and these here. So 5x take away 5x leaves you with nothing. 15 take away one lot of y leaves you with 14y. And 5 take away 19 leaves you with negative 14. Therefore, y is going to equal negative 1. Now, once I've found one value here, I need to substitute it back into any of these equations to find out x. Now, I'm going to substitute it into this equation here because that looks like the nicest equation to deal with. So, I've got x, which I still don't know the value of, plus 3 lots of negative 1, because that's what the value of y is, equals 1. So x add 3 times negative 1 is negative 3, which equals 1. This, you know, different is bad, so that's negative. So you've got x take away 3 equals 1, and therefore x is equal to 4. Now, it's really important that you are writing down all of your working out, and also that you double check your work at the end. So I'm now going to substitute both my x and my y value into one of these equations to check that I'm correct. Again, I'm going to choose this bottom equation because that's what is appealing to me at the moment. So rather than writing x, I'm going to write 4, add 3 lots of y, so 3 lots of negative 1. Work that out, so I've got 4 plus 3 times negative 1, so that's take away negative 3 is equal to 1. And that's exactly what we wanted it to equal, so we know we have it correct.